All right, TikTok, I've been cutting hair since I was 12 years old, and I'm gonna show you the best method for a fade. We're gonna start with the lever open in the middle of the head, and then we're gonna do one in the back, and we're gonna do one in the front. This is gonna be creating our first guideline, and now we're gonna connect right here, both of the sides. That way we don't gotta set in the guideline with the trimmer and create a super harsh guideline. So this is gonna stop from all of that happening. So I'm gonna show you guys how to blend this line out, and you'll never have to struggle ever again. Now we're gonna go in there with our half guard. We're gonna use our wall half guard, and we're gonna put the lever midway, and we're gonna go ahead, set in another guideline in the middle, another one in the back, and another one in the front. And all we're gonna do is come back and connect. We're gonna connect both of the sides right here. And then we're just gonna retrace, making sure everything is nice and evened out. Then you're gonna open up the lever all the way, and you're gonna finish creating that finger guideline. You could do the three step for this, but I just like to kind of flick out right here. And now we're gonna close the lever and attack this bottom line. And we're using this method so we don't have to use the 1.5 and create a lot of darkness off the rip and just make it that much harder to blend. Right here, we're using a method to create a slow transition that's gonna get us to the fade and have a good gradiency. Now we're just gonna use the 1.5 guard by wall. This guard right here, we're gonna go ahead and use this one. We're gonna use 1/2 inch, but we're not creating a guideline. Now we're just kind of flicking out this bottom line. We're gonna be flicking it out right here to make sure we soften it up. So when we come in there with our broken guard, it's just gonna blend everything right in together. And notice how this has only taken us 2 minutes to do. There's no cuts, you know? So it's way better than your average tutorial here on TikTok. Look, bam. Now we're gonna use that broken half guard that I was telling you guys about. And we're gonna put the lever midway. And now we're just gonna literally come up in here, and we're just gonna hit those dark spots that we see. So look, you guys can see all these dark spots that I'm hitting. A lot of people think that this guard will leave you patches, bro, but no, it won't. You know, this guard, bro, is gonna help you. Look how fast I'm blending this line in right here. If I were to use the one open and the one closed, it leaves too much bulk for me, and it leaves too much darkness, where I still have to come back with the wall half. Even though I still come back with the wall half, I don't feel like I gotta work as hard. And so now we got that there. You still see these little dark spots, right? Right there, we got 2 options. I'm gonna just go ahead and try my clipper over comb technique before I keep cutting there. Usually with this technique, everything should smooth out. Right here, so just be careful. Make sure you guys stick the comb out. Don't just lay it flat on the head. Kind of stick it out to create that box head shape. Right there, bam. Bam. But now that looks so much better. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to eliminate this bottom line. Remember, I told you guys, a lot of barbers start with the trimmer. I like to stretch the skin and start from the bottom of this one and just kind of start fading up like this, look. And remember, this guideline was created with the clipper. So whatever you set the guideline in is whatever you take it out with. So now look how easy this guideline is coming out. And I could do it with 0 effort and just do it super fast. Open up one lever, go up again. This is the way I like to do it, especially on fades like this that have to be really tight to the head or military style, because you know we don't want to leave just too much darkness on the side where it's looking crazy. You want to create a nice and even transition to really get your blend, and then open up the lever. You're just gonna corner any dark spots that you see, Anywhere where you used to be like, oh, you know what, I could go up in there and detail a little bit. Bam. What I tell you guys, super easy, super fast. This is a beginner friendly method. Now all you're gonna do is come with your trimmer and you're gonna clean up all the hair right here in the bottom. All the hair right here in the bottom, you're gonna clean up. Everything. You're gonna take out all the hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to use the foil shaver. It's gonna be really, really important when you guys use that foil shaver, because if you don't use it right, you're gonna be out here just creating guideline after guideline, and it's gonna be kind of crazy, bro. So make sure we focus, we stay locked in. Now with our foil shaver, we're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom, work our way up. Once we get up to this area, we're gonna just flick down. So notice how low I'm going down. I'm not going up no more like this. How I was going right here, now I'm going down. Right here we could go up, just at the lower part. Because if you go too high with this, you're gonna be cooked, bro. Like right here, kind of turn it sideways, hit this area. And that's how I do this fade right here. Obviously you just come in, and now is your detail game. So now this is what makes a good barber from a bad barber. Is the barber gonna go in there and continue to detail his work, or is the barber gonna stop already? Most barbers already see this fade and they would have been like, man, I'm good to go. You know, and other barbers like me were like, nah, bro, we still could detail that a little bit. And then we're just gonna add a little heartbeat design right here real quick. The client wants a heartbeat, so we're gonna hook him up. We still gotta pass the razor blade. So let's go ahead and do the heart right here real quick.